everybody, Brad at Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today is a LS 427 cubic inch motor. Just got done making just over 600, just about 640, and it's out of a 625 package. Ran great, sounds great. Got a CVF full boat kit on here. Got the Holley High Ram on here. Looks great. I love those high rams. They look amazing. If you have any questions about any of our packages, do not hesitate to give us a call. We are here to help you in your performance journey and hopefully be a part of it. Thank you once again for watching.